those white prints?
I don't know, Chloe.
Hey.
What?
What? What? Chloe?
That wasn't there.
What was it? The stickers? Frozen?
Did you ask for that from Santa?
No. But was these princess? Maybe these prints from Santa? So these prints from us, from Santa. And these books are presents. What? What are these presents doing here?
What do you mean, what are they doing here?
And there's 2 cookies here.
How many did you leave him? How many did you leave him?
I don't know.
He ate some of them, right?
Yeah. So, and I see still milk.
He probably got really full. So he left them
And,
out.
and Melissa
You know Melissa's gone.
still. And why these footprints are still here?
Because we just woke up and he dropped off all the gifts.
Can I open them? Which one says my name?
Look for them. You know how to spell your name.
Open it. Open that one.
Let me see. I got open. Let me see what says this name. My present again?
You got more than one?
One present. And this says William.
Mm-hmm.
I have 2.
Open them.
What did William got here?
Hey, open yours. Don't worry about Williams.
Chloe, it's really early. You don't want to go back to bed?
Not even tired. I always wanted this. Oh, thank you, Santa. This is really, really nice. Oh, the footprints are going away. Santa brought me 3 presents. I thought it's only 1.
You must have been really good.